Welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. I was doing well this morning, a little bit before 10 a.m. We're going to be talking some correlation really quickly here on the chart. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin. Obviously, some interesting data activity coming out of Bitcoin. You know, food for thought. Good to know, to understand what's happening. You're seeing backdraft here, obviously, why Bitcoin got in the elevated RSI levels, you know, of mid-80s or whatever, and you're going to get that backdraft. We know this. You just have to plan for it and expect it. Expect it to go something to the effect of like this, and then we're going to go like that, okay? But you could scalp that, sell down, obviously, take your profit, sell higher, buy back lower. You know the shtick, okay? That's just what we do. It's just how you do. You can either scalp, you can long-term, you can trade on 5 or 10 day, like levels. I mean, there's so many different methods that you can employ with Bitcoin, but 60% of all active addresses have held Bitcoin now for more than a year. 60%. Okay. 31% of holders of Bitcoin have held it for at least a year. Okay. 1 to 12 months. Okay. 9% of holders today in Bitcoin have held it for less than 30 days. You basically have 98% of people in the money in Bitcoin right now. You just hit new price discovery, right? You just hit. So everyone buying in is in the money until this hits. And then you're going to start to see that number of people out of the money begin to grow as Bitcoin falls back down to 67,000. Okay? Which is highly possible if you look at your indicators and your RSI and you look at that and you see where it's at. It's going to fall back down to about an RSI of about 55 to 60, probably before it bounces. Okay. Now, people have asked me, okay, what happened this week? What's going on with Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash blew through 700. Bitcoin Cash did blow through 700 after falling back down. If you look at its RSI chart, you'll see it rose up, hit the wall, bounced down, and is now having a secondary move up. And so now you got to be cautious again as it tests that higher level RSI level, right? I mean, remember, you can chart your RSI chart the same way you chart the active asset. And it will show you the activity. Remember, you're trading behaviors, okay? So you can see, oh, well, when it gets to RSI like 15 or 20, there's a lot of volume coming in buying. When it gets to RSI 75, 80, there's a lot of sell volume. That's all behaviors, okay? And you chart behaviors. You're not charting price. You're charting behaviors because you want to know what the behavior is going to be of investors and traders, okay, before they know what they're going to do, right? Because if something's getting to be elevated RSI, and I tell you that something's going to dump, the behavior, human nature is to sell, right? And so that's how you play that. So we're going to compare here. You can use this quick. FX Street is great for this when you're in a pinch and you just want to do it really, really quickly. Obviously, you can use TradingView. You can use a lot of the other stuff. But here's Bitcoin Cash. Look at that move. Look at how and mind you, it's mimicking Bitcoin because it's correlated. But now it's rising faster. See the percentage? Bitcoin is now off, okay? Under negative 1%, right? But Bitcoin Cash, because of its move, is above 10%, okay? So it's actually outperforming Bitcoin today, right now, okay? But you got to factor a lot of that had to do with the FOMO run up because of Bitcoin's climb Monday, Tuesday. And here you can see, this was the RSI level I was talking about, okay? When it got to be like 85, 86 RSI, boom. Sell down, secondary move, okay? Let's do BTG. That is Bitcoin Gold, okay? There's another fork of Bitcoin. Same kind of pattern. High level RSI. Look at that higher level RSI there. Boom. And how do I know that, mates? Because I'm not looking at an RSI indicator. I'm just looking at the chart with the price point, and I can tell you where the RSI level is without even looking at the RSI chart. All right, mates. Enjoy your day.